Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a rare case of uterine delphys. You can see the uterus, unibladder, and cervix. Uterine didelphi is a disorder present before birth in which a female develops two uteruses instead of one. Uterine didelphi results due to failure of Mullerian duct fusion that occurs between 12th and 16th weeks of pregnancy. Now you can see both the uteruses. Now, how common it is to have a double uterus? One in about every 2000 women worldwide have this condition. How likely is it that a woman with this condition would get pregnant with twins, one baby growing in each uterus? About 1 in 25,000 women with uterus didelphys gets pregnant with twins, one to each uterus. So it is a very rare phenomenon. Uterine didelphys, sometimes also uterus didelphys, represents a uterine malformation where the uterus is present as paired organ with embryogenetic fusion of Mullerian ducts fails to occur. As a result, there is double uterus with two separate cervices and possibly a double vagina as well. It is entirely possible for women with a double uterus to carry a baby to term. However, the condition does come with an increased risk of miscarriage or premature labor. You may also have here a double uterus referred to as uterus didelphys. In women who have two fully developed uteri, pregnancy might be completely normal, and you might have even seen news article about rare cases of women with didelphic uteri getting pregnant in both uteri with different due dates. Uterine didelphy is a disorder present before birth in which a female develops two uteruses instead of one. Uterine didelphy is a type of Mullerian duct anomaly, class 3, where there is complete duplication of uterine horn as well as duplication of cervix with no communication between them. Normally, women with two uteruses do not have problems getting pregnant, but in some cases it might be harder and there is an increased incidence of fertility issues. Now, when a female fetus is developing in the intrauterine life, two small tubes called Mullerian ducts come together to form her uterus. If the Mullerian ducts do not come together completely, this can cause problem with the uterus. Now, including the separate uterus, this is the most common congenital uterine abnormality. Here in these cases, a band of muscle or tissue divides the uterus into two sections. This condition can cause women to have repeat miscarriages. Surgery may be done to repair the uterus and reduce the risk of miscarriage. Then there is bicornate uterus, also called heart-shaped uterus. In these cases, the uterus has two cavities spaces instead of one large cavity. Most women with this condition doesn't need surgery to repair this abnormality. Now there is the Delphi's uterus, also called double uterus. In these cases, there are two small separate cavities, each having its own cervix. Then there are unicornate uterus, also called one-sided uterus. This condition happens when one half of the uterus forms. Surgery cannot make the uterus any larger. Uterus delphis typically shows two widely spaced uterine corpora with a single fallopian tube, separate divergent uterine horns with a large fundal cleft is known as septate uterus. This patient had one child and has been suffering from amenorrhea since the last 7 years. Female. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.